Hey everyone, if the Instagram Notes feature is missing from your account, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, update your Instagram app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Instagram and install any available updates. The Notes feature might not show up if you're using an outdated version. Next, try restarting the app and your phone. Close Instagram completely, restart your device and open the app again to see if notes appear. If it's still missing, switch to a professional account. Some users have reported that Instagram notes appear when switching to a business or creator account. To do this, go to a profile and tap on Edit Profile and switch to a professional account. After switching, restart the app and check again. Another trick is changing your region. Instagram notes may not be available in all countries yet. Try using a VPN. Set your location to a region where the feature is available and then check if notes appear. If none of these work, log out and log back in. Go to Instagram settings, scroll down, tap log out, then log back in to check for notes. Finally, if it's still missing, wait for an official rollout. Instagram often releases features in phases, so some accounts get them later than others. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and follow for more Instagram fixes. See you in the next one.